Hey everybody, Jason with Fat Fender Garage in Gilbert, Arizona, and we've recently just released a four-wheel drive Coyote Swap Kit for your Gen 2, Gen 3 Coyote motors and putting that in a four-wheel drive pickup truck. Whether it's a 67 all the way up to 79, there's a kit for you. Except for the high boys, those guys, we're still working on that. I need to get one in here and just make sure our kits will fit it. But otherwise, you're set on all the F100s, F150s, and even F350s crew cabs. We've got those. We also have this kit we've come out with, which is a Universal kit, which allows you to install this kit in virtually almost anything. What we have is we've got these that mount to the engine block, and you're gonna get bushings in the bag and the sleeves and the nuts and bolts and everything to attach it. Then you're gonna get this part that actually goes to the frame. Now typically, you might wanna box your frame in and make sure it's nice and rigid up front. You don't wanna twist your frame into a pretzel. And so you wanna box it all in, and then you'll be able to trim these to fit, weld these in. And then the other part is, this is designed for the 6R80. We have welded this part on. It's kind of a low profile. You may need to add a little spacer or something in the transmission if you need to raise it up for pinion angle. And then these end caps right here, depending upon, you might need to cut this off and it might need to be narrower. So these are just tacked on. And then you'll need to eventually get this mounted, and then you want to weld this up. So two things you got to weld, probably some boxing plates in. You'll need to weld these in, and then you need to weld these ends on. We try to keep it as simple as we could. It's definitely something, we've actually used this kit on a 6772, so we know that it actually can go in and fit. We've used this kit like on a 53 to 56, where we needed to make a kit to install it in one of those generation trucks. So we're not powder coating it, we're not doing anything. It's just gonna come raw, bare steel. We're gonna package it all up, and then you'll be able to buy these on our website. With that said, it's a pretty cool kit. It doesn't come powder coated, but it comes with all the nuts and bolts and fasteners that you're gonna need to install it. If you need something vehicle specific, not so universal, you can also check our website out. We have a lot of kits that are designed to just be bolt-in, whether it's a 6772 bolt-in kit with stock suspension, a four-wheel drive kit that's, you know, stock suspension, but you need to get your Coyote motor in it. We got that kit on there as well. So make sure you're following us on our Facebook page, our Instagram page, and especially subscribe in our YouTube channel to make sure you're staying updated on all the cool stuff that we're coming out with. Thanks.